Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to clear conversations in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner. Tap on the settings icon from the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option Clear Conversation. Tap on this. Here all the conversation you have made will be showing. Beside every conversation there is a clear button. Tap on the clear button of the conversation which you want to clear. And you can see your selected conversation is no longer available. In this way you can clear conversations in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.